Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering paper 1 of year 2021. Question number 4b2 is drive the expression for hoop stress and radial stress in case of a thin cylindrical vessel subjected to only internal pressure. So this is the part of the cylinder cut in between, and P is the pressure inside the cylinder force, sigma theta is the hoop stress developed due to the pressure. D is inside diameter, T is thickness. Then if we take the projected area, the hoop stress would be like that, like that. Okay. So if we take the half of the cylinder like that, then its direction will be in this direction and in this direction, and that will be due to this pressure in upward direction. So we will not take pressure like that, because then we have to take sigma theta like that. Good. So we are taking only the projected part. So reading it out, for analysis of hoop stress, projected area is taken such that semi cylinder is subjected to pressure P, which causes the circumferential hoop stress or circumferential of hoop stress sigma theta in a material. So the area is for this pressure is P into D into L. Sorry, area is P, D into L, P is pressure, and the resisting uh, this is resisted by material. So area for that material is 2T into L, sigma theta into 2T into L. Okay, so equating the two, sigma theta comes out as PD by 2T. And longitudinal stress is sigma L and P is pressure. Okay, so longitudinal stress will be P, pressure is acting inside, and sigma L is acting outside. So the area for pressure is now pi by 4 d square, and the area for the sigma L is pi by t. So equating these two, we get sigma L as p d by 4t. But in our question, the radial stress has been asked. So radial stress is 0 in case of thin cylindrical vessel, because they are thin, and radial stress act like that. This is the radial stress. So here, in case of, as thickness is very, very small, we can assume that the radial stress is 0.